And so that's why we're really excited about the investment we made. I had a chance to meet Prime Minister Modi yesterday and discuss our excitement about...
Microsoft has announced its biggest ever investment in Asia, a massive $17.5 billion, and the entire commitment is aimed straight at India. The announcement came right after CEO Satya Nadella's meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and it sets the stage for a new chapter in India's AI journey. So what exactly does this investment mean for India? First, India will soon host one of the largest hyperscale regions in the world. A brand new Microsoft Cloud region is coming up in Hyderabad, expected to go live around mid-2026. This isn't just another data center, it is Microsoft's biggest hyperscale build-out in the country. For India, it means faster AI processing, more reliable cloud access, and far greater capacity for the booming digital economy. Second, Microsoft is upgrading its existing data centers across Chennai, Hyderabad, and Pune. These upgrades will bring low latency AI computer closer to Indian businesses, government platforms, and startups. It means quicker responses, smoother AI deployment, and cheaper access to world-class tech. For a country with thousands of AI-first startups, this is a direct boost. Microsoft is addressing one of India's toughest challenges, data sovereignty. The company will build a sovereign public cloud and a sovereign private cloud, designed specifically for India's regulatory and compliance needs. Now, this is crucial for sectors like finance, healthcare, defense, and governance, areas where data must stay within India and must follow strict rules. This move signals that global companies now recognize India's firm stand on data protection. Fourth, India's workforce is getting a major push. Microsoft has doubled its skilling target and now plans to train 20 million Indians in AI skills by 2030. Already more than 5.5 million Indians have been trained just since January 2025. This is not just very small. It means India is preparing the world's largest pool of AI-ready talent, ready to serve global companies and domestic innovators. Fifth, Microsoft is beginning deep integration with government platforms. Services like eShram and the National Career Service will now run on Azure OpenAI tools. These platforms serve more than 310 million informal workers across India. With AI-powered translation, job matching, and assistance, these services will become faster, smarter, and even more personalized. Through all this, Microsoft and Nadella are very clear. India's AI rise resets on three pillars: scale, skills, and sovereignty. Interestingly, this aligns directly with Prime Minister Modi's pitch that India's AI opportunity is now a global opportunity. So what's the big picture? This $17.5 billion push shows the global AI investment flows are shifting decisively towards India. The country is no longer just a technology market, it is becoming a global AI hub, a talent center, and a strategic digital partner for the world's biggest technology companies. As the multi-year build-out rolls out, India's digital backbone will strengthen dramatically. The country will gain more control over its data, more power in AI development, and more opportunities for its young workforce. In short, Microsoft's commitment is not just a business investment. It is a signal, a bold global signal, that India's AI decade has truly begun.